What's up, skate fam? Welcome to D's Skates. I'm your host, David Laliette. In today's episode, I'm not going to be doing a tutorial or presenting a big discussion like I usually do. It's just going to be something really simple. I recently started skating in a mall of all places. There's an ice rink in the Galleria Mall in Dallas. If you've never been to it, you really should check it out. It's a small rink, but some of the people that I've met there are really neat and outgoing, and I really feel like it's just the place that I've needed to be to unwind and familiarize myself with the ice more before I try to get into figure skating. So I made a video with some new friends that I met recently, and I want to show you guys this presentation, nothing more. So please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It'd really help my channel. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you the next time I lace up.